What's up, everybody? We're about to embark on an epic journey to China, a land of ancient wonders and breathtaking landscapes. Get ready for eye travel to East Asia to see the best of China. We're talking about the Great Wall, the Forbidden City, and hidden gems that'll blow your mind. This is going to be epic, so buckle up, smash that like button, and subscribe because you do not want to miss this insane adventure. Alright guys, we're kicking things off at one of the most iconic landmarks on the planet, the Great Wall of China. This thing is seriously massive, stretching over 13,000 miles. Can you believe people actually built this by hand? It's mind-blowing. The views from up here are seriously next level. You can see for miles in every direction, and it's just mountains and greenery as far as the eye can see. We're talking rolling hills, lush forests, and those iconic watchtowers perched on the mountaintops. The sheer scale of this place is unbelievable. I'm feeling so humbled right now, standing on this piece of history, looking out at this incredible view. And the craziest part, this is just the beginning of our adventure. We've got so much more to see and do in China, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Make sure you stay tuned because things are about to get even more insane. I'm talking towering skyscrapers, ancient temples, bustling night markets, and maybe even some panda encounters. Welcome to the Forbidden City, the heart of ancient China. This place is absolutely massive, a sprawling complex of palaces, temples, and courtyards. It's like stepping back in time. For centuries, this was the center of power in China, home to emperors and their families. Can you imagine living in a place this grand? The architecture is out of this world, with intricate details and vibrant colors everywhere you look. Every corner you turn reveals a new courtyard, a hidden garden, or a magnificent hall. It's overwhelming in the best way possible. We're talking golden roofs, red pillars, and intricate carvings that will blow your mind. The history here is palpable. You can practically feel the presence of the emperors who once walked these halls. From lavish banquets to secret meetings, this place has seen it all. Stay with me, everyone, because up next we're diving into the mystery of the Terracotta army. You do not want to miss this. Guys, I am speechless. We are standing in front of the Terracotta army, and this is one of the most incredible things I've ever seen in my life. Imagine thousands upon thousands of life-size terracotta soldiers, each one unique, standing in formation as if ready for battle. These warriors were created over 2,000 years ago to protect the tomb of Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. The craftsmanship is insane. Each soldier has a different face, hairstyle, and even armor. Can you believe they found all of this by accident? A group of farmers was digging a well and stumbled upon this army of the dead. It's the biggest archaeological find of the 20th century, and it's easy to see why. But hey, enough with the deep thoughts. We've got a whole lot more of China to explore. Hit that subscribe button and let's keep this adventure going. Get ready to be blown away because we're entering the world of Avatar in Jiuzhaigou National Forest Park. This place is straight out of a dream, with towering sandstone pillars covered in lush vegetation. Remember those floating mountains in Avatar? Yeah, well, this is where they got the inspiration. It's like stepping onto another planet. We're talking waterfalls cascading down sheer cliffs, mist clinging to the mountaintops, and those iconic peaks jutting out from the earth like giant stone trees. We're taking a cable car up, and the views are already breathtaking. I've heard they have these crazy glass walkways that stick out over the edge of the cliffs. Talk about an adrenaline rush. I'm all about pushing boundaries and facing my fears, so you know I'm going to walk that glass bridge. This place is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through the forests, across streams, and up to stunning viewpoints. Welcome to Shanghai, the city that never sleeps. And there's no better place to experience the energy of this bustling metropolis than the Bund. This waterfront promenade offers the most insane views of Shanghai's iconic skyline. We're talking towering skyscrapers, futuristic buildings, and that classic Oriental Pearl Tower piercing the sky. The energy here is electric. There's a real buzz about this place, with people from all walks of life coming together to enjoy the views, the food, and the vibrant atmosphere. I'm starving. I'm thinking we grab some dumplings and just soak up the atmosphere. Shanghai, you're already stealing my heart. Hey everyone. Make sure you continue watching and don't miss out on the rest of our China adventure. After the hustle and bustle of Shanghai, we're taking a break in the serene beauty of West Lake in Hangzhou. This place is like a breath of fresh air, a peaceful oasis in the heart of China. We're talking willow trees swaying in the breeze, traditional Chinese bridges arching over the water, and temples nestled among the lush greenery. This place is pure magic. We're taking a boat ride across the lake, and it's the perfect way to soak up the scenery. The water is so calm and reflective, it's like gliding through a painting. I could get used to this pace of life. West Lake is all about finding tranquility amidst the chaos, and it's something truly special. We're also checking out some of the temples around the lake, and they're just as impressive as everything else we've seen so far. Hangzhou, you've been a dream. But the adventure continues, so let's check out some more epic destinations and unforgettable experiences. Get ready for some serious scenery because we're cruising down the Li River in Guilin. This place is straight out of a Chinese painting, with towering karst mountains, emerald green waters, and mist clinging to the peaks. The views are simply breathtaking. We're on a traditional Chinese boat, complete with a covered deck and those iconic round windows. It's the perfect way to relax and soak up the scenery as we glide down the river. The mountains here are unbelievable. They rise up from the water like giant green teeth, and some of them even have caves and grottos hidden within them. Keep an eye out for the fishermen with their cormorants. It's amazing to watch them work together to catch fish. This place is like something out of a fairy tale. It's so peaceful and serene, a world away from the hustle and bustle of the city. If you ever get the chance to visit China, a cruise down the Li River is an absolute must. Prepare to be amazed because we're in Tibet, standing before the majestic Potala Palace. This place is unlike anything I've ever seen before. It's a massive palace complex perched high on a hilltop, overlooking the city of Lhasa. The Potala Palace was once the winter residence of the Dalai Lama, and it's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The architecture is a blend of Tibetan and Chinese styles, with towering white walls, golden roofs, and intricate details that will blow your mind. The interior is just as impressive, with countless rooms filled with Buddhist art, scriptures, and relics. This place is a pilgrimage site for Tibetan Buddhists, and you can feel the spirituality radiating from every corner. The Potala Palace is a testament to the power of faith and the beauty of Tibetan culture. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're entering a world of color in Jiuzhaigou Valley. This place is like something out of a dream, with crystal-clear turquoise lakes, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant forests that change color with the seasons. We're talking ancient villages nestled among the mountains, wooden bridges crossing over rushing streams, and a network of trails that lead to some of the most stunning natural beauty you'll ever witness. The water here is unreal. It's so clear and blue it's almost unnatural. You can see right through to the bottom of the lakes where fallen trees create an ethereal underwater landscape. This place is a photographer's paradise. Every turn reveals a new and even more breathtaking view than the last. Jiuzhaigou Valley is a reminder that Mother Nature is the ultimate artist. Get ready for some epic views because we're climbing the Yellow Mountains. These iconic peaks are shrouded in mist and legend, and they offer some of the most breathtaking scenery in all of China. We're talking jagged granite peaks jutting out from the clouds, ancient pine trees clinging to the cliffs, and hot springs where you can soak your weary muscles after a long day of hiking. The Yellow Mountains are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. The scenery is simply out of this world. We're taking a cable car up most of the way, but there are still plenty of stairs and trails to conquer once we're at the top. The Yellow Mountains are a truly magical place, and this is one hike I'll never forget. Oh yes, everyone. I've included some great travel links in the description below. You can find everything from resorts and hotels to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more. Check them out. Maybe you can make some savings on your next trip. I hope you find them useful. And that's a wrap on our epic adventure through China. From the Great Wall to the Yellow Mountains, we've seen some of the most incredible sights this country has to offer. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the trip was. I'm already planning my next adventure, so stay tuned for more epic travel vlogs coming soon.